Have you ever found yourself musing over the question, what rights does an arrested person possess under the vast expanse of Indian laws? Well, fear not. For today, we dive into the labyrinth of legal codes and statutes to unravel this complex conundrum. Our first stop is the Constitution of India, the supreme law of the land. Article 21 states, "No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law." This fundamental right guarantees every citizen the right to life and personal liberty, and yes, it extends to those under arrest as well. Next, we turn to the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, or CRPC. Section 50 of this legal document mandates that the person arrested has the right to be informed of the grounds of arrest. It means the police officer making the arrest must communicate to the person arrested the full particulars of the offense for which they are being arrested. Now let's move on to Section 51. This section ensures the person arrested has the right to legal representation. It states that the police officer making the arrest shall inform the person arrested that they have the right to obtain a legal practitioner of their choice. Our journey through the CRPC continues with Section 53. This section endows the person arrested with the right against self-incrimination. It means you cannot be compelled to be a witness against yourself, ensuring the protection of your fundamental rights even when you are under arrest. The next right is a crucial one, the right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. This right is safeguarded by Section 57 of the CRPC, which states that no police officer shall detain in custody a person arrested without a warrant for a longer period than under all the circumstances of the case is reasonable. And such period shall not, in the absence of a special order of a magistrate under Section 167, exceed 24 hours exclusive of the time necessary for the journey from the place of arrest to the magistrate's court. Finally, we have the right to be treated with dignity, which is protected by Sections 54 and 55 of the CRPC. These sections disallow any form of torture, either mental or physical, ensuring humane treatment even in custody. In conclusion, the rights of an arrested person under Indian law are multifaceted, extending from the Constitution to the CRPC. They include the right to life and personal liberty, the right to be informed of the grounds of arrest, the right to legal representation, the right against self-incrimination, the right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, and the right to be treated with dignity. These rights serve as a bulwark against potential abuses of power, ensuring that even in the face of arrest, the fundamental human rights of every individual are respected and upheld. So, the next time you find yourself pondering over the rights of an arrested person, remember the law is not always a maze. Sometimes it's a shield, safeguarding the rights and liberties of its citizens.